Get paid watching videos with the sources that I'll share with you in today's video. They work for absolutely free and anyone can join, even a beginner who has never made money online before. Just make sure to keep watching until the end of this video so you can get every instruction right. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you can get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like this ones on how to make money online. Also, if you like this type of content, just give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have any question or suggestion about this video, and also share it with your friends too if you think that they are going to benefit from this strategy as well. Without any further ado, let's begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. I'm going to give you multiple sources, so I highly recommend that you follow me till the end because you can get easily lost and confused. You can just choose the one that you like the most, or you can even combine all of them to make the most money. So the very first source is this one here called Ysense. This is over at ysense.com. You can earn extra cash online by joining their global online community, and you can do a lot of tasks and get paid again and again. Just sign up for absolutely free and start earning immediately. Put your email address in this box, a password, agree to a terms of use and privacy policy, and click on the join now button. Down here you're going to see what you can do in order to get paid. First of all, they offer paid service for you to just get paid by influencing the next generation of products and services by giving your opinion. But you can even do cash offers, of course, by just trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up for websites, watching videos and more. So watching videos is available, and what I recommend you do is to just leave it play on the background. You can leave it on mute, and then once the video is finished, of course, you're going to get your money. You can see that I do offer a referral program for you to get paid in passive income. Once you're going to bring some members over to this platform, you're going to earn up to 30% of what your referrals are making, which is pretty awesome to maximize your results and earn some money in passive income. You can see over here that I do offer an app on Google Play Store and App Store, so you can just download it on your iOS or Android device and even try the app version out. Of course, you can go over to the cash out section up here to see what kind of rewards they offer. PayPal is included, as you can see, even Payoneer, Skrill, Amazon gift cards, and so on, some other gift cards as well, which is pretty awesome. You can choose from the ones that you like the most. With that said, guys, this was the first platform that I wanted to share with you. I'm going to proceed to the next one, which is called Fusion Cash. This is over at fusioncash.net. You can see that they give you $5 sign-up bonus once you just create an account for absolutely free, and the tasks that they offer you in order to get paid are paid to sign up, videos, so you can watch videos, of course, you can complete other tasks, you can just download mobile apps, play games, refer new members to this platform, and so on. And I want to mention that this platform has been around since 2005, so they've been around for quite some time now, which shows how legit this platform is, since most of the scam websites disappear after a short period of time. So whenever you come over to this platform, I recommend that besides just watching videos, you can even focus on the other tasks as well in order for you to make the most money, of course. So with that said, guys, I want to proceed to the next platform for today, which is called Quick Rewards, and it's over at quickrewards.net. You can see that this platform has been around since 2002, and they have paid to their members more than $7 million. So you can just already know that this is a legit platform. You can see that they offer different ways for you to get paid online, including completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, completing offers, and shopping online and getting cash back. They offer PayPal as a payment method and also quick payments as well. You can see that gift cards are available, and of course, for each of these ways to get paid online, you can just read an information. You want to watch videos, you can see that they offer a variety of informational and entertaining videos for you to watch and earn some free rewards. You can earn to watch videos about the news, lifestyle topics, pop culture, and more. So there are some videos that we already see on a daily basis on YouTube, for example, and these times you're going to get paid for that. For example, if you want to get paid by playing games, you can see they pay you by playing different games over here. You can even sign up for email newsletters, receive quotes on services you need, sign up for trial offers, and so on in order to get paid. They offer you cash back back up to 20% for shopping online at some of the most popular stores. You can even complete surveys, and by just giving your opinion about products, services, and brands, you're going to get paid. So there are a lot of ways that you can use this platform in order to earn money online, and they have some other information as well over here that you can read. But I want to mention that actually this platform is not worldwide available. Just go over to create an account button and you're going to see that it is only available in the United States and Canada. So if you are outside these countries, what you can do is to go over to this alternative platform called greenpanthera.com. Just click over here where they tell you, and of course it's going to take you over to the main platform. You can see that this platform is internationally, and you can join it for absolutely free and also get a $2 sign-up bonus, which is a nice addition. You can earn money by just doing some surveys, by shopping online, doing some offers and more. So just like the other platform as well. And you can see that they pay you in PayPal money. So even this one's paying your PayPal account, don't worry about that. Put your email address in this box, a password. Then you need to just put the characters that are displayed here in the box, and then you're going to just agree with their terms of use and privacy policy and click on the registration button in order to get started immediately. So with that said, guys, I'm going to proceed to one last platform for today. So just like I said even before, I was going to give you multiple ones, and this one is called Grab Points. This is over at grabpoints.com. They offer you free gift cards but also cash for just watching videos, answering surveys, and completing offers. You can join for absolutely free. All you need to do is to put an email address, a password, confirm the password, and click on the sign up now button. And as you can see, you can even sign up with your Facebook account or Google account, which is a lot faster and easier. And of course, by signing up, you also agree to a terms of use and privacy policy. Let's see how it works. So, advertisers pay Grab Points for engagement. So, Grab Points recruits members just like you to do some online activities, which includes watching videos, taking surveys, downloading apps, and more. And you're going to earn free gift cards and also PayPal cash, just like I promised you before. You can see all of the rewards displayed down here: PayPal cash, Amazon gift cards, free Visa gift cards, Google Play codes, Xbox gift cards codes, and so on. You can see that they offer more than 100 of gift cards in their rewards catalog. You can also check out this live feed of people getting paid in real time through their preferred payment method, and also they are from anywhere in the world: Great Britain, Brazil, Canada, and so on. And you can be, of course, from any country in the world and still join this platform. They've been around since 2012, so they've been around for 10 years now, and it shows how legit this is. You can even see here that they offer some reviews from Trustpilot. Of course, you can check them out, and you can just see also payment proofs of people getting paid again and again. They are just making like a couple of dollars, but of course it also depends on you and how much time and effort you're going to put on this to get the desired results. And since all of these platforms pay you in PayPal money, what you can do is to just open one PayPal account and see your PayPal balance going again and again. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, just give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.